Slithering wonders. An introduction. Snakes, often misunderstood creatures, inhabit a remarkable diversity of habitats across the globe. These fascinating reptiles can be found in almost every corner of the world, showcasing their incredible adaptability. From lush rainforests to arid deserts, and even in the depths of the oceans, these reptiles have adapted to thrive in a wide range of environments. Their ability to camouflage and their unique hunting techniques make them formidable predators. Snakes play crucial roles in their ecosystems, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. They help control pest populations and serve as both predator and prey in the food chain. Despite their prevalence, many misconceptions surround snakes, often stemming from fear and lack of understanding. These myths have led to unnecessary fear and persecution of these important creatures. This exploration aims to shed light on the secret lives of these fascinating reptiles, revealing their true nature and importance. By observing their behaviors and understanding their roles in the ecosystem, we can begin to appreciate their significance. By understanding the intricacies of snake behavior, ecology, and their unique adaptations, we can dispel the myths and fears that surround them. We can foster a greater appreciation for these often misunderstood creatures. Researchers and enthusiasts alike are working tirelessly to educate the public and protect these vital animals. Join us as we delve into the world of snakes, uncovering their secrets and dispelling the myths that surround them. Through education and awareness, we can ensure a future where snakes are respected and protected for the vital roles they play in our world. Snakes exhibit remarkable adaptability, inhabiting a wide array of habitats. These fascinating creatures can be found in some of the most extreme and diverse environments on Earth, showcasing their incredible ability to survive and thrive. Some species prefer the sun-drenched landscapes of deserts, where they have developed unique ways to cope with the intense heat and scarce water supply. The sidewinder rattlesnake, for instance, moves in a distinctive sideways motion to navigate the hot sand without burning itself, while others thrive in the humid undergrowth of tropical rainforests, where the dense foliage provides ample cover and hunting opportunities. The green tree python, with its vibrant coloration, blends seamlessly into the lush greenery, while the boa constrictor uses its powerful muscles to climb trees and ambush prey. Aquatic snakes have adapted to life in freshwater rivers, lakes, and even the vast expanse of the ocean. Sea snakes, for example, have developed specialized lungs and can hold their breath for extended periods, allowing them to hunt underwater with ease. Their sleek bodies and specialized adaptations allow them to navigate these diverse environments with ease. The unique structure of their scales provides both protection and flexibility, enabling them to move gracefully through water, sand, or dense vegetation. Burrowing snakes have evolved to live underground, their streamlined bodies perfectly suited for navigating through soil and sand. These snakes often have reduced or absent eyes, relying on other senses to find their way in the dark subterranean world. From the scorching sands of the Sahara to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, snakes have demonstrated an extraordinary ability to adapt to a wide range of environmental conditions. Their resilience and versatility are truly remarkable. Snakes have made their home in virtually every corner of the planet, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. Their presence in such diverse habitats is a testament to their evolutionary success and their ability to conquer almost any environment they encounter. Snakes are carnivorous reptiles, relying on a variety of hunting techniques to secure their meals. Some species are ambush predators, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to wander within striking distance. Others, like constrictors, overpower their prey with their muscular bodies, suffocating them before swallowing them whole. Venomous snakes utilize a potent cocktail of toxins to subdue their prey, injecting it through specialized fangs. Snake diets vary widely depending on the species and their environment. Some snakes specialize in hunting rodents, while others prefer birds, amphibians, or even other snakes. Snakes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. As predators, they help regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and maintaining biodiversity. Their presence ensures the health of ecosystems by controlling populations of rodents and other animals that can transmit diseases or damage crops. Snakes also serve as prey for larger predators, including birds of prey, mammals, and even other snakes, further contributing to the intricate web of life. Section 5. Dispelling the myths, separating fact from fiction. Many misconceptions surround snakes, often fueled by fear and misinformation. Contrary to popular belief, not all snakes are venomous, and even those that are do not actively seek to harm humans. Snakes are not slimy, as their scales are smooth and dry. The myth of snakes hypnotizing their prey with their gaze is also untrue, as snakes lack the necessary eye structure for such an ability. It's important to remember that snakes are essential members of their ecosystems and play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Section 6. Sensory perception, a world beyond sight. While snakes possess functional eyes, their vision is not their primary sense. Their eyes are adapted to detect movement rather than detailed images, which means they can sense the presence of objects but not their fine details. They rely on a combination of other senses to navigate their environment and locate prey. This multisensory approach is crucial for their survival, especially in diverse habitats ranging from dense forests to arid deserts. Snakes have a highly developed sense of smell, using their forked tongues to collect scent particles from the air and deliver them to a specialized sensory organ called the Jacobson's organ. This organ, located on the roof of their mouth, processes the chemical information, allowing snakes to taste the air and track down prey or identify potential threats. They are also sensitive to vibrations in the ground, which helps them detect the movements of prey or potential predators. This sensitivity to vibrations is so acute that they can sense the faintest of movements, even those that are imperceptible to other animals. This heightened sensory perception allows snakes to thrive in a world that extends far beyond what we can see. By combining their limited vision with their extraordinary sense of smell and vibration detection, snakes have adapted to become efficient hunters and survivors in a variety of environments. Their world is rich with sensory information that we, as humans, can only begin to imagine. Section 7. Snake venom, a double-edged sword. Venom, a complex cocktail of toxins, is a powerful tool used by some snake species for both hunting and defense. Venom primarily targets the nervous system or the circulatory system, causing paralysis or disrupting blood clotting. While venomous snakes are often feared, their venom also holds immense potential for medical research. Scientists are studying snake venom to develop new treatments for a wide range of conditions, including stroke, heart disease, and cancer. Understanding the composition and effects of snake venom is crucial for developing antivenoms, which are essential for treating snake bites and saving lives. Section 8. Reproduction and life cycles, a diverse range. Snake reproduction exhibits a remarkable diversity of strategies. Some species lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Egg-laying snakes typically deposit their eggs in warm, sheltered locations such as burrows or rotting logs. The eggs are left to incubate on their own, and the hatchlings emerge fully independent. Live-bearing snakes, on the other hand, provide nourishment to their developing embryos internally, similar to mammals. The young are born live and ready to fend for themselves. The reproductive strategies of snakes are as diverse as their habitats and lifestyles. Section 9. Conservation concerns, protecting our slithering companions. Many snake species face growing threats to their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization is a major concern. The illegal wildlife trade also poses a significant threat, as snakes are often captured for their skins, meat, or venom. Climate change is another emerging threat, altering temperatures and precipitation patterns, which can disrupt snake habitats and prey availability. Protecting snakes and their habitats is crucial for maintaining the health of our planet's ecosystems. Section 10. Conclusion. A call for appreciation and understanding. Snakes, often misunderstood and feared, are integral members of the natural world. Their diverse adaptations, fascinating behaviors, and crucial ecological roles deserve our admiration and respect. By dispelling myths and promoting understanding, we can overcome our fears and appreciate these remarkable creatures for the essential role they play in the web of life. Let us strive to coexist peacefully with snakes, recognizing their importance and ensuring their continued survival for generations to come.